Look at this. Fuck me. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. How's everyone doing? Welcome back to another ZPG video. So in today's video, do you guys remember last time how we peeled off the black lines and we're like 100 times way better here? But after a while, you know, we realized we fucked up and we're regretting it. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna spray some plastic dip on the red line to make it 100 times way better now. Yeah, so also we're gonna be changing the lanes, globes. Look at that. Oh, do it again. I didn't check the power. Oh fuck. These ones already out anyway, so we thought we might as well change them both. It's broken. While they figure things out, I'll show you guys what I got. So with the Costco the other day, got some microfiber gloves. Got some work gloves, you know, because you know when you do those bulbs, you can't do it. So when you push it and it can't, oh shit, end up cutting yourself. So these are sick. They got a gripping sheet. Take it later. And I'm not too sure if I'm gonna do it today, but also last time I got some raised lock nuts. So I'm actually gonna be putting those on my car as well. But I'm not too sure if I'm gonna actually put them on today because there's no driveway yet, or we can't get up yet. And I don't want to jack up the car on the side of the road. The only other way I'm thinking of is taking out the bolts one by one and just replacing it. So that way the wheels won't actually fall. So yeah, just one by one, but we'll see how things go. Alright, so we got the headlight out.
Oh, is it the clip?
And
you just ply it out.
You know, yeah, we don't even know how to take out a
Oh yeah, I do, look.
Show us then. Show us.
Straight up.
Wait, what?
He just said pull out the bulb.
Pull out, get show, bro.
Pull it out.
Yeah, wait, I got it.
Pull it.
Touch it.
Oh, so you...
Oh, so you what? Come on, finish that shit.
Why not,
What the fuck is headlights? Hey,
Yeah.
Hack got it, man. Hack got it. Hey, no, it wasn't you that like delay. I wiggled it and you just took out the last step.
wait.
Dumb man.
So, this is you do. You see that nipple? So, it's like a power plug. Yeah, see?
You just skip the whole shit, bro. Alright, dumb man. Holy shit. Let's put the new ones in there.
Yeah, put the new one over there, over there.
Do you know this is? I'll show you.
No, teeth.
Oh, hey.
Oh!
It's not on
Oh,
there.
it's not working.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oi!
Fuck,
Oi,
see?
it's bright.
See?
Oi! 100 times way, we're like 100 times fucking bright.
Oh my god.
Oh?
Hey.
Oh!
Oh baby, fuck.
But nah, it's still good, man. What?
I'm not sure if he breaking my car.
Look.
Oh, he helping my car. But it's ZPG. Zero given. Let's go.
I'll hold it like that.
Yeah.
That's my motherfucking car, bro.
Yeah!
He broke it. He broke it.
Oh, he broke it?
I drink it.
I'm going home, man.
Darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because I live inside left the seeds while sleeping.
Psych! We out here. We doing good. We killing it. Thank you to the homies. So we back. Yo.
He fucked up, look, he's taking it back out. He's taking it back out.
The bulb is the wrong way.
The bulb is the wrong way?
Yeah, like it's pointing that
So
way.
like it's
when we
pointing
put it that
on
way.
an angle.
Nah, checks, nah.
I don't know what's going on.
Hey, DJ, what's this?
That's for the soft padding after you put it in.
Oh, you got. Oh, fuck!
Oh, is that what we forgot? Fuck you, man.
Someone threw it away. I couldn't find it.
Oh, did you hear what he said? No, did you hear what he said? No, he said, someone put it away so I couldn't find it. So you gonna let my car go without it, bro?
You don't need a Dory.
Why not,
What the hell is headlights?
Don't trust these dudes. Fuck CBG. I'm gonna go to fucking Super Cheap, get all my shit done from there, bro. Fuck this.
We charge $80 here.
Right.
Double the price. Don't ask for much, yeah?
The rest are
When you come to
shady.
ZBG, don't come to Mun.
Oh, you what? Nah.
Come to me.
Oh, hey.
Oh, fuck you up right here on the spot in front of the camera, bro.
Okay. I didn't even work for this company.
Man, man, dumb, man. Give me some. That's how you do it, ZBG. ZBG love, man. ZBG love.
Alright guys, so I forgot to mention, I bought a new mic for this camera. It's the Rode Video Micro for those who know. It's meant to like, you know, block out the wind and it's meant to like sound way better. So I want to actually try it now and we're going to do a little VTEC run. I'll show you guys the VTEC run and hopefully it sounds sick with the new mic. Yeah, go, go!
What your fuck, bro? The test pipe. What your fuck?
So yeah, that was our little VTEC run. Hopefully it sounds sick. If you guys want to see more, let us know in the comments below. That was a nice VTEC run. It's nice and cold, so the car's running well. Alright, so the headlights are now in. Woo woo! And now we're gonna spray these red lines black. Alright guys, so we're just about to start spraying the plastic dip on. There's some stuff on the car I can't really show you guys. So after we finished up, then I'll show you guys how the results are.
Now I'm gonna lick that shit real good. I'm gonna touch it and squeeze it and grab it and lick it and tip it and flick it.
Yeah. 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 Yeah, no. Maybe. Yeah, Mandam. Down in the. Okay. Okay. Bring it in. Mandan when I went there, then I could have went back and I went home, then I got my car keys, then I went to the garage, did a little bit and I went to the far, didn't go far because my car broke down, then I went to the town, yeah, he making sick sound, oh, we're gonna be all round with a handshake, we don't do breaks, man's not fake, oh shit, oh stop.
Hey, how do you think of the performance, man?
It was good.
Oh, what's the noise when that song in
Oh, pin drop, pin drop, pin drop. Watch this, watch this.
I don't know if I got that. Oh, what the fuck?
So while we wait, are we going Honda Nationals this week?
I don't know.
Oh, I mean Honda Network? Yeah, Honda Network?
I don't know, cause like my car's not meat ready. I still got my Mugen rear, my sides. I don't know when I'm gonna order it, so maybe. Well, we'll see. If you guys. If you guys want to see us there, we see us there.
We see us there. We see us there. Oh shit. Also, we're in the works of making some ZPG banners, you know?
Yeah.
We're gonna print some. So, what actually is gonna happen is... What's gonna happen? Oh yeah! Yeah! Alright, so what's gonna happen is, I'm gonna print some. These are just for tests. So I'm gonna print some test ones and we're gonna run them and then we'll see how we like it. So whatever we actually put on the car might not be the last like design. We're still going through some phase, but we're gonna stick it on the car anyways. 'Cause, you know, September 30th? I think?
Yeah,
September 30th. It's July right now, and the next month is August. Months, forgot his months yet. August and then it's September.
Bro, like 16.
So we got 2 months. It's September what?
30th, I think. Last
Oh,
day
the last.
was 31st.
So I got 2 months to do up my Polo GTI. Make it look all nice, lowered it, add a nice wing, tint the windows.
It goes up to like
It's a Honda.
but still that's pretty cheap for
I don't give a fuck. I'm coming in with my Volkswagen.
Because ZPG, yeah?
Straight ZPG, 0 fucks given. I'm gonna invade it. I'm gonna pump my music like, hey, what the hey! Nah, man. Oh fuck.
Wait, come back, wait, what's a joke? Wait, come back, wait.
It wasn't a jerk though.
What, wasn't a joke?
Hey, nah.
Baby, grind on me.
Grind with me, relax your mind, take your time with me. I love you deeper if you
So we're just trying to kill some time, waiting for the plastic dip to dry, and it's raining, so I can't even do my thing. My lug nuts.
keep your legs up, keep your legs up, keep your legs up, keep your legs up, kick you out.
now we gotta change it. Tune appropriate.
Oh! Boom, new day guys. So boom, alright guys, so new day today. So I got some good news and some bad news. Alright, so the bad news is, look at this man. I fucking hit the S2K, man. Fuck, so what happened was, I forgot there was a car behind me when I was reversing out of the driveway. And when I was looking, I didn't really see it again. And then I was driving, and all I heard was a boom! And I was like, what the fuck? At first I thought I hit the gutter, and I was like, oh, OG. And when I... and then when I turned around, yeah, I realized, oh fuck, there was a car there. So I pulled up, and the other car, the rear guard here, got like bent in, you know. So, but then for my car, like I only just realized this, the bumper went in, like look at that. That one popped back in, look. And yeah, the main damage is here though, like look at that. So here's a few scuffs, I don't mind, and here's the chips, look at that. Fuck, look at clear coat coming off too. Can you see how deep that is? Look at that, man. Fuck. So yeah, so what do you guys think I should do? Should I either buy a new bumper or should I do the JDM stitch? So for those who don't know, it's basically just drilling holes and you get like, you know, cable ties the gangster way and just cross stitch it like that, you know. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. But anyways, moving on with the bad news, you know, we don't... moving on with the good news. We don't like to end shit with a bad news. But yeah, look at this. Hey, come. Remember how at the start of the video, I showed you guys, I got the new lug nuts and here it is, man. So look at this. So normal, and the lock one. So you need a special key. So no bitches, look, can steal my wheel, you know? Like, look at that. No one's taking that off. And also look at this. 100 times way better. Look at that. So we finished plaster dipping it, a few areas, but don't worry, it's plaster dip. We can come back and fix that shit up. But look at that, 100 times way better. And what do you guys think as well? Do you prefer the black or the red? Like, Delay likes the black better. I don't mind any. What do you think? Like red.
Get the fuck out of here. Black looks the best, man.
Oh shit.
slick.
Yeet. Yep, so that's gonna do it for tonight's video. I'm not too sure how the video went because it was actually a super raw vlog, you know. But some people like it raw, that's up to you, you know. But yeah.
Yeah, you like it raw?
You like it raw?
I like that shit
You
raw.
like it raw?
I like it raw.
But yeah,
Boy, my door.
ruin this true.
We're not talking about the dick in your mouth, boy. What the fuck?
Yeah, but anyways, it was a super raw vlog. Like we just picked up the camera whenever we just felt like it, because we're just showing you guys what we usually do. Like we just muck around, you know, while doing like the little stuff like the headlight change and the spray paint. So yeah, we thought we'll just might as well make a video, and that's how it went. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give this video a fat like, you know, PHAT. Comment down below what I should do with my rear bumper, and 100 times way better black or 100 times way better red. And also remember to help me out, because you know I really need help now with the bumper. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, and see you guys in the next one. Laters! So I got some good news and some bad news. So should we give them the bad news first?
You know, I like my desserts first.
Yeah.
Wait.